Hello beautiful kids, today we learn shapes and colors. So let's get started. Now we draw here first shape, this is square. Now we draw here circle, this is circle. And now we draw here pentagon, and pentagon has 5 sides. Now we draw triangle, and triangle has 3 sides. Now we draw our next shape, this is star. This is so easy to draw shapes. And the last shape is heart. Now we fill different colors. First we use red color, purple color, orange color, dark green color, now we use light brown color, now we use dark blue color, and this is pentagon. Yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, yellow color, red color, light blue color, dark green color, lavender color, red color, orange color, lavender color, yellow color, and pink color. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Till the next video. Take care.